Hi students, I am back again with a new video in our C++ programming tutorials, and today we will start with last unit, that is streams. Okay, so till now we have worked with the input output, basic console input output. Yes, C in and C out. For that we were using IO stream, correct? Now, if you want to deal with files, if you want to read some data from the file, or if you want to write data into the file, so for that we use what? Streams. Okay, streams is nothing but it is the interface for data transfer. Okay, it is the interface for data transfer. So basically, when you talk about files are have some basic operations. Yes. So if you want to deal with file, first what you will do? First you will open the file. Okay. Once you open the file, you will read the data from the file. You can write the data into the file. Yes, and after that you will close that file. Okay. So first operation what you will perform in your program for dealing with file is to open the file. Okay, and after performing all the operations and after working on the file, last thing you do is closing the file. Clear? Okay, so like IO stream, we have f stream for file. Okay, f stream is to work with files in C++. Clear? Okay, in f stream there are two different classes for input and output. Okay, so if you want to read, input is reading. If you want to read data from file, you will use class if stream, and if you want to write data into the file, you will use class of stream. Okay, so these two are the classes, and when I am telling when I talk about, okay, when I talk about class, that means you need to create the object. Okay, so now today we will do one simple program, okay, just to write some data into the file. Okay, so starting with the program, first I will include header file hash include IO stream. Okay, so we are reading the data from user, that is the console. Yes, so we require IO stream, and hash include we require f stream. Okay, and using namespace std. Okay, now after that I will define a main function. In main function we will do the operations. Okay, now let me have one variable, so string, let's say message. Okay, and this message I'm going to, or will read a name and will write that name in the file. Okay, this program we will do now. Okay, now for writing data into file, we need of stream. Okay, for writing data into file, you need what? Of stream, and for reading data from the file, you need if stream. So here we are writing this message into the file, so I will write here, I will use what? Of stream. That means I need to create the object of of stream. So here I am creating object of of stream. Okay, of stream obj. So I will take obj1 here, and using here I will pass the file name. Okay, so let me create one file, stud.txt. Okay, so if the file is not there, it will create the file and then write into the file. Clear? Okay, so stud.txt. After that I want the message from user, so let me ask, or I will read the name of the user. So enter your name. Okay, so will read this name C in, and I will read this name in message. Okay, this one. Okay, now I have a name in the variable message. Now I will write this message. Okay, I will write this name in the file. Okay, so for that I have object obj1. So I will use this object for writing into the file. So I will write here obj1, and again this operator, and here I will write name is. Okay, or I will write my name, be specific. Okay, my name is. Yes, and here I need to add the variable. Which variable? Message. In this variable I am having my name. So this way, this is the way you write into the file with the help of object, OF stream object. obj1, same like cout, obj1, and whatever data you want to write into the file, that data, and the variable, if you want to write the variable, and variable will be without double quotes. Clear? So this is the way we write into the file. Okay, and you remember that whatever object name you have used for of stream class, that object name you will use here for writing the data. Clear? Okay, now next is yeah, I will close this file, obj1 dot close. Okay, now next is, now I want to read the data from the file. This is writing into the file. Now I want to read the data from the file. So reading. For reading, what we need to do? We need to create the object of if stream. Okay, so I am creating object of if stream. Let me give name as obj2. Which file you want to open? So I am writing here stud.txt. This file I'm opening here in reading mode. Okay, now I need to read the data from file, and then that data should be hold in the variable, correct? So here again I am declaring one string, okay, name, let's say, and in this I will declare what, in this I will hold my data. Okay, so there is function getLine. GetLine function is used to read the line from file. Okay, so I want to read the line, which file? obj2 comma, and where I want to read? In this variable name which I have declared here, string. Okay, so here I will read my data. Okay, now line by line it will read the data, or after that I will just display whatever we got from the file. So I'm displaying here the message, or name on the screen. Okay, and finally I will close the file obj2 dot close. Clear? Okay, I hope it is clear for writing and reading from file. Writing and reading. Okay, if you want to write data into the file, you will create the object of class of stream, and you will specify the file name here. Okay, once you this is what it is, we are creating object, and when you create object, constructor is called, correct? And this is parameterized constructor, so we are opening file with the help of constructor. Okay, this is one method for opening the file using constructor. Now your file is open. For writing data, we are taking input from user, and in this variable we are reading the input, and then we are just writing this into the file with the help of file object. Okay, after that we are closing this file, and again we are opening this file in reading mode. Okay, you can use the same object, because this object of this work has done now. Okay, but here I have used the different object obj2, and here we are passing the name of file. Okay, so this file will get open in which mode? Now reading mode. Now you want to read the data in from the file, so we are reading the data with the help of getLine function. This will read line by line, and will put that in the, or will hold that in some variable. So I have used here name variable, and we are reading the data from the file, and we are holding this in the name variable, and finally we are displaying this on the console. Clear? So this is the simple program for reading and writing data into the file. Clear? Okay, now let me save this and execute this, and here we done. Enter your name. So it is asking me my name. I'm writing here Farzana, and enter. So my name is Farzana. Okay, now I will show you the folder or the file which is created. Okay, so okay, this is my student file. Okay, and in this we have data. My name is Farzana. Clear? Okay, so this is about the streams and basics of files. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask in the comment box, and try doing such programs on your own. Practically you have to do it, and so that if there are any errors, you will get to know what error it is and how to solve that error. Okay. Okay, we'll stop here for today. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button.